Okay, let's talk about how to be able to buy Kaspa. Now, before we do that real quick, I just want to, there's just one thing you have to know. Of all the cryptocurrencies out there were only 4 cryptocurrencies that were fair launched. Fair launch just basically mean whenever there's a new asset that is launched, there's usually what's called VC investors. Basically mean venture capitalists that usually invest into it, or there's shareholders, there's shares that is first divvied out to some inside investors before that asset is launched. The same is also true whether in stocks. Same is also true in crypto. Same is also true in private equity. Companies, before they go on to go public, before they IPO, there's usually share that is shared between the members of the company and between the VC investors at a very low discount, okay? Before the company goes public and the price of that stock is determined. However, when it comes to crypto, there's only right now 4 cryptocurrencies that were fair launch. And those 4 cryptocurrencies, the first one, of course, was Bitcoin. Bitcoin was fair launch. There was no VC investors. Satoshi just launched it. And of course, just people started to get wind of it. The second one is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just basically a meme coin copy of Bitcoin. And the third one is BitTensor Tau, which is an AI coin. It was also fair launch. And the fourth one was Kaspa. So Kaspa was 100% fair launch. There were no early investors that got into it. Okay, so now Kaspa and also Tau, we can just kind of cover both. If you look right now, they are not currently on the main exchanges. However, you can buy them on some of these other exchanges, and ultimately, of course, just you want to transfer to a cold storage wallet. So Kaspa right now can be found on exchanges such as Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet, Binex, and LBank. So you can find Kaspa on some of these exchanges. However, the main exchange that I use, the main exchange that I have been using mostly to be able to buy Kaspa for me has been Mexi. Now, to be able to buy Kaspa off Mexi, you first have to set up Mexi. Once you have a Mexi account set up, Mexi is just pretty much like Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Kraken, some of those mainstream exchanges that you're already aware of. However, Mexi is currently restricted for customers that are within the US. However, there's a way to get around it. There's a loophole. Once you have a Mexi account set up, download, have a VPN. Have a VPN platform. And for me, the VPN platform that I use at the moment is NordVPN. And once you have your NordVPN account set up, you want to set your location to any country except the United States, China, Canada, and Australia. So if you set it to any other country outside of those countries, I think you'll be just fine. For me, you can just do Austria. Just do Austria, you will just be fine. Do Indonesia, you will just be fine. Do New Zealand, you will just be fine. Or any of those countries, you will be just fine. You'll have access to Mexi, set up an account, and upload some money into it. Now, one of the best ways to upload money into Mexi, I highly encourage, use either Coinbase wallet, Kraken wallet, upload money into, because remember, these most likely will be exchanges that you already have a relationship with them, or whatever exchange that you're currently using right now. Turn the fiat money into a USDT. Remember, there's USDT, USDC, and transfer USDT into the Mexi wallet, and just wait a few minutes. Boom, your money will be available, and you can just go ahead and buy any asset on the exchange. And you can be able to buy Kaspa as well. And if you're looking to buy some Tau, BitTensor Tau, you can buy Tau as well, because Tau is available on Mexi. And one of the reasons why I like Mexi, because they're one of those exchanges that usually first list a lot of cryptocurrencies when they're first launched, and they're very solid, seem to be very secure so far. Haven't experienced any issues with it. However, most importantly, remember, your main point, your goal is not to keep your money on these exchanges. You buy it and transfer it into a cold storage wallet. So that way you have full custody of your crypto assets. So that's one of the best ways to be able to buy Kaspa. So I probably will do a tutorial video on step-by-step on how to be able to buy Kaspa. And also, I've already done a video on how to be able to transfer it to a cold storage wallet. So if you click on the link below, if you look on one up here, you'll be able to find a video on how to be able to transfer your coins from an exchange to a cold storage wallet. Because Kaspa right now is still super early, and we're literally on the ground floor to be able to buy Kaspa. It's not even listed on any of the major exchanges yet. And many people are not even aware. I truly believe Kaspa one day will be one of the top 3 or top 5 coins. I could be wrong. So once again, not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Invest with caution. So if you're going to be investing into it, make sure you do your research before you go ahead and put your money into it and invest into Kaspa. All right. So if you feel you got value out of this video, feel free to like and share with somebody that is currently also looking to buy Kaspa before the bull market starts. All right. Have a good one, guys. Take care.